Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to unfriend in Snapchat. The first method here to unfriend your friends on Snapchat is go to your chat option. So tap on this chat and find the account that you want to unfriend. So for example, just tap and hold that account and here tap on manage friendship. And from here, as you can see, you just need to tap on remove friend. Then tap on remove to complete your action. Now the second method here to unfriend in Snapchat, just tap the profile icon at the top left corner. And from here, need to tap on my friends and you'll find your friends list. And if you want to unfriend someone, just tap and hold that account and you will find another option shows up here. Just tap on manage friendship, then remove friend and remove button to complete the action. So that's how you basically unfriend in Snapchat. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.